Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make these delicious poppy seed and date Hamantash. Starting off with the dough, you're going to want 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 200 grams of vegan butter, half a cup of white sugar, teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Very simple, put in all the dry ingredients at this stage, and once we've done that, just going to give it a good whisk. Make sure everything's well combined. Now we're going in with the vanilla and the vegan butter. Now we're going to knead that all together until we're left with a solid ball. If you can poke it and you can see that there's no cracks around the hole, you've got the right consistency. If it starts cracking, just add a touch more vegan butter in there. And we're going to refrigerate that while we work on the filling.
Beautiful people, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like vegan recipes from all around the world, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more.
Next for the filling, you're going to want 8 dates, a handful of pecan nuts, 100 grams of poppy seeds, or it works out about a cup. Now I'm using 1 cup in total of plant-based milk, even though it looks like half a cup there. I've got a tablespoon of vegan butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now the key here is to blend, or at least grind up the poppy seeds, because if not they come out bitter. So I'm just going to stick that in the Ninja cup on the first round, and you can see the oil start releasing and they start clumping together. That's not a problem. Go in with the sugar and the pecan nuts. I'm just going to take the seeds out the dates, stick that in there, and I'm going to add in the vanilla, the vegan butter, and half a cup of plant-based milk at this stage. Going to give that a good blitz. If it's too stiff, just add about half a cup, a little bit more, into the mix. Now we've got a nice runny, creamy textured looking thing. Give that a good stir, make sure you've scraped off everything from the bottom. And we're going to pour that into a saucepan on low heat. Now we're going to keep stirring this, because this can burn if you leave it alone. It'll take about 10-15 minutes, but as time goes on it will start darkening. And you essentially want to dry it out, basically, is what you're doing. The poppy seeds will start to absorb the plant-based milk as well, so that helps speed up the process. Now I'm going to lightly dust my surface, stick the dough ball there, and roll it out flat. Now for the sake of presentation, I'm just going to show you what 1 or 2 of them look like in the process. Now, again, this is short crust pastry. As I always say, I hate working with this stuff. It's very fickle. But it is what it is. So you're going to take a little truffle of that poppy seed mix, and all you're going to do is literally fold in the 2 left and right sides, and the bottom side as well, until you're left with essentially a triangle with a visible center. As you can see, relatively easy to do. Meanwhile, I'm preheating the oven on 180 degrees C, or 355 Fahrenheit, and just before I pop them in, I'm going to give them a little vegan egg wash using some plant-based milk. As you can see here, make sure you get everything covered, including the center, so they don't dehydrate. Sticking those in for about 15-20 minutes till they go golden. Sprinkling on some icing sugar, and there you have it, folks. Absolutely delicious. Just make sure you wash your mouth out after eating these, because poppy seeds and your teeth do not get along too great. You'll find that out when you smile after eating one. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, do hit the subscribe button. Ciao for now, happy Purim, and I'll see you on the next one.